Hey, it's Mark, and I'm really excited. I just got my Czur Aura scanner. I found it on Indiegogo sometime last year, and they've been taking a long time to make enough of them and actually get them sent out to their backers. Czur has made some more expensive scanners, although still less expensive than others. I'll tell you what it is. It looks kind of like a lamp on your desk, and it's got a camera and it's got a laser, and you can put a book under it, and it can take a picture of the book and then turn it into a document. And I'm really excited because I'm a graduate at school, I'm studying religion and music, and I've got all these texts and music scores, and I want to digitize them, and I'm either trying to do it with my phone, holding my phone up, which is slow if I've got a lot of pages, or using a flatbed scanner, which is hard to push a book down on. So I'm really excited to see what this is. It came shipped DHL today, direct from China, I believe. DHL from Hong Kong, from Mr. Chow at Czur Tech in Hong Kong. So got our trusty utility knife. Let's start opening it. It's got a lot of tape. I'm not exactly sure which tape I need to cut to get it open. Oh look, there's actually little images of scissors on the tape, so I guess that's where I'm supposed to cut. That's a clever touch. Okay. Alright, peekaboo. Okay, so now we've got the inner box. There's some little pieces of plastic to protect the corners of the inner box. I guess that's nice, although I'd rather than not waste the plastic since the inner box is still just a box. You know, save the environment a little. And this box can disappear off screen. And now we have this beautiful black box. You can see a picture of the scanner on the box. That's my assistant. I'm paying him a lot of money to help me make this video. I don't know if he's going to be worth it. So let's open this up. The top lifts off. It's like really solid, like an Apple iPhone box, like a giant iPhone box that's black instead of white. And here it is. So there's this panel here that says, well, this is actually another box inside. Side lights. This is side lights, and it says side lights installation guide. So maybe I will put that to the side. Then there's this envelope-like thing. Almost looks like a little heart, the way it's closed. There's some papers inside. There's this hard round thing. Like, what would you do with something like this? It's not like I have a slot in my computer I can put it into because it's 2019, and well, I hope the drivers, or if I need them, are downloadable because, but I have a CD, I can borrow a CD from someone, CD drive from someone if I need to. Special instructions, so there's a little, I guess this is like a quick start guide. Oh yeah. Aura Series Getting Started Guide. Please read before use. Reminder, Aura is a new smart scanner. Very different to traditional equipment. You must read this Getting Started guide to become a pro quickly. Well, that's what I want to be, a pro, because I was taught that what makes it someone a professional and not an amateur is that you get paid for it, so I'd love to be a pro and get paid for scanning. And then there's...
Instead of you paying me?
Yeah, well, how about I'll pay you to make a video and then you pay me to scan stuff for you and then we're even Steven.
I'll consider it.
So there's another manual, but I just want to take it out. So first, there's also this black pad. So what I believe this is, and it's held closed with like very slick black rubber band. They obviously put a lot of thought into packaging. That seems like a thing I'm supposed to say on unboxing videos, right? So you have this pad to be your desk pad for your background, and it could be a nice even desk pad here for doing an unboxing video on. So I'll leave it here, and I guess the scanner goes here where it's a little bit scalloped, and I assume in time it will flatten out. It's already getting flatter. And here is the actual scanner. Oh, it's metal. Maybe it's plastic. It kind of feels cold and metallic though. And that's the top. There's like different lenses and stuff here, and a button here. And there's stuff underneath it. The box says Caesar, and then it has Chinese characters too. Finger cots for book scanning. I saw those on the video.
You should unbox those.
Put those aside for now.
No, you're gonna unbox them.
I'm gonna unbox them, yeah, but I also have, this box's power adapter. It's got little divots in it. Maybe this is to help you lift. I know what it is. It's because they were in here. I mean, I didn't need it, but they help you lift the inner boxes out of the big box. So I think you're supposed to start with this one first. Another plastic bag. And nice power adapter. There's even a little protective film over it.
I mean, if you heard about the Galaxy Fold, you shouldn't necessarily take it off.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. USB cable, I guess that's important. I mean, there's a lot of, at least no more plastic in there. There's a lot of packaging. Foot pedal, that's kind of cool. You can scan with your feet. So you are turning the pages of the book and you push the foot pedal. Now I believe this actually only has a foot pedal. It does not have another button, so you have to use the foot pedal. You have to use the foot pedal or use the computer. There's not like a hand button, which I believe one of their older, more expensive scanners has. So it's kind of cute. It's not like foot shaped, but it's like takes a good click, so it'll stand up to your feet. And it's USB. So does that mean that it plugs into here? Yes, the button pedal plugs into the scanner, so I don't need two USB ports on my computer, which I was going to be worried about. And the cots for book scanning. So what I expect these to be, they are little things. It has a picture on the back. They are little things that you put on your fingers. Well, they're like hard plastic. I thought they looked more like they were foam or something, but I guess hard plastic makes more sense.
Another plastic bag.
Yeah. They've got this special design on them, and so my understanding of it is that the software recognizes these, so you hold down the pages of the book with these, and the software takes them out automatically using its computer vision algorithm. I don't know if I'm really going to be able to start scanning here because I don't have my computer. That might have to wait for part 2 of the video, but then again, this is an unboxing video, so maybe that will be another video later. Let's at least just plug it in and see if it lights up and turns on. Here, I'll take off what I hope is the protective film since it's not made by Samsung. And let's see if I can reach the outlet from this table. Okay, not really.
The assistant will go get an extension cord or something.
Okay, and we're back. My assistant just got me a power strip so that I can plug in the scanner and power it up. And I want to show you this power strip too. It's this flexible power strip. We just got this too. It's kind of cool. It's got its own USB charger here with a, I think maybe too bright blue light, at least because we have it in a bedroom. Does it keep you up at night, assistant? Because this is in your bedroom.
Well, I'm in a loft bed,
Okay.
so.
You can't actually see it the way you have it in your room. So let's plug it in. There's a little tiny sticker that says QC passed, which I assume means quality control passed, which is great that it's quality control passed, except the quality of the quality control passed sticker is not that good because the sticker's falling off, but I don't really think I need that. Let's plug it in here. It's a new power strip, so it's a little hard to plug in. I'm going to plug this into the DC port here. So there is another protective film. I'm going to leave it on for now. And somehow it
No.
opens. Like that. I don't know if you're supposed to just push on it on the back like that, or if there was a place you're supposed to push to open it. But it's open, and it's not. So there's supposed to be a light feature so that you can just use it as a light on your desk. So there's a power light that's on here. I don't know. I better look at the manual. Table lamp mode. Connect the power and wait for the power light indicator to turn on. Long press the knob for 1 second to enter table lamp mode by default. There it is. You have to long press it, so that was not obvious. And you can dim or brighten the table lamp. You can also control the lamp with your phone using the Caesar app, and then in table lamp mode, short press the knob to switch to scanner mode, and to do that now a little light, so it's lit up again, but I can also see the little indicator light switched from a table lamp to a camera. So I know I'm in scanner mode, now I'm back in table lamp mode. And then I guess if I long press, I turn it off, close it up, and so I think that's what we are going to do now for an unboxing video. So what are some pros and cons of this? So in terms of the packaging, the boxing, it's got a lot of packaging. Some of it seems like paper that I think I can recycle. Some of it is plastic. It's actually not that much plastic, but still probably more than you really need. But it looks like a well-built product. It is a little bit heavier and more metallic feeling. I'm not entirely convinced it's not plastic, but it feels like something metal. The base is weighted, which is actually, I think, going to be really important for a product like this. You don't want it to turn over, so that's definitely a pro. Yeah, see if I go like this. Well, if I push it, obviously I can make it turn over, but a little bump, it's not gonna. It's weighted down here. The mechanism here, that's a pro. It makes a nice click when it comes up. And then down, the long press on the button here, that was a little unintuitive. I wonder if it'll light up when it's in the down position. Oh yeah, I don't really know what the use for that is, but maybe there would be.
I know one.
Yeah. it feels like there should be like some designated spot to push on here and make it that's too hard to push up there, you gotta push from behind. And so I guess if it's sitting on my desk, you go like this and push it up. And it is gonna be nice how it fits on my desk. You'll see later, I hope, if I make another video, how it's gonna fit on my desk, and I think it'll fit nicely. So that is the Czur Aura scanner, desktop scanner. It's seems great so far. We'll see how it works when I get it all hooked up, and hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I have to say.
So you're saying you want me to turn off the camera? Strange thing, but okay.